Vi lige linket op med Mila. Vi er på vej til Sats for at få en gratis træning, håber vi ikke? Med lidt charme på missen. Check out the beautiful Copenhagen. Fucking, I don't know what it is.
Sats, gratis træning. Ewe har glemt sin cykel, så nu der er min.
Santam from the football ex-AJ. Man, me stick with a pen like JK. True say I ain't really a drinker, but I got love for brandy like Ray J. Champagne popper, 44 in a black night bomber.
Og hvad er næste øvelse, bro?
Nej. Så næste øvelse, jeg er oppe med tricep push down. We got it.
Smile on my face, drink in my cup, hand in my jeans. Man talk tough, man look up, down, left, right, straight to a bang in the teeth. Man still talk tough, man so man in the flesh now. Man should I talk to my G's, no, none of that, none. 45 run you right out your street. Look, niggas like Sheffield, we moving too hot. You got nothing to prove, you the king of this shit. Remember they posted with 30s inside of the Glock. I was itching to move on the lake. Niggas be talking real hot for the net, but they see me in person, they all on my dick. I got their hearts in my pocket, no bully, but I could be bullying a whole lot of shit. Look, push me to the limit, let's see who really tryna get it. Okay, push me to the limit, let's see who really with it. Don't see no Suburbans who spin it. Don't see no Suburbans who spinning them niggas. Don't see no Suburbans who spin it. Don't see no Suburbans who spin it. Look, he got a black flag, get a ticket off. You get shot down.
Hvad er det nu tid til, bare? Sauna. Til sådan noget fucking dus.
Og det kan godt blive free hurtigt. Hold da op, en sauna session.
En time.
En young hour. Ja, chat er muted. Det er så aura, når det er fucking mørkt, man. Hvad, man? Det er ikke det der. Når der ikke er så meget lys, skal du følge mig? Ja, tryk lige noget. Jeg bare tryk den her. Man ved allerede, det bliver en banger. Man ved, det bliver en banger. Allah. Ej, det er ikke så godt. Det er jo fucking mørkt på.
10. Farvel.
22